And welcome back to Ski Coaching Online. This is Steve, and in this video we'll look at how we manage the ski home when it's really icy and narrow when we're going. So as you can maybe see here, where everyone skis the slope is like I'm doing now, down the middle. So what that means is all the fresh snow or all the softer snow gets pushed to the outside. So right here is where the softer snow is. That's gonna slow my skis down a little bit more than skiing here. You can probably hear on the ice as I'm going. So when I do it, I try to make the downhill bit of my turn happen in the soft stuff. That way then I'm not gonna pick up too much speed. And I try and just do for like a gentle traverse type thing on the icy bit, knowing that I'm probably going to slide a little bit more than I want to. But again, I'm searching for that bit of soft snow on the edge. So if I'm a little bit too quick, for example, like now, I can think, okay, I'll traverse over, a little bit of a soft snow there, and that's enough to just control my speed a little bit as I'm skiing down. Cool. So then here, if I want to stop, I can always then come to the side and there'll be a bit of a softer bit of snow for me to stop on. Cool. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you in the next one.